Hello, this is Taj Tires. I've got a Mitsubishi Shogun here on a pretty much, this is the newest shape L at the moment. Just going to show you how to, this is basically a 19 model, but I'm going to show you how to reset the tyre pressure warning light. And if I switch the car on, start the car up, and now on the right hand side, as you can see right there, that's the tyre pressure warning light. So the way to reset it is through this button right here. So if I press it once, at the moment it's on trip A, so trip B, then you've got the spanner light for the service, then you've got the tyre pressure. So if I get to that and then press and hold it till it goes beep, may not beep, but it'll vanish. So it's flashing, and I let go now. Just gonna see, I may have to press it one more time. Nope, it's still doing it. Maybe if I switch the car off, start the car up. Now it's still on, so what I'm going to do again. Okay, so it might want me to drive the car to recognize the tyre pressure light. So what I will do now is I'll take a fair test drive, but here in UK you're not allowed to drive while recording unless you've got some sort of stand or whatever, you know. But I'm gonna be right back. So I'm gonna take it down the road and see if the light comes back on. We'll meet you in a sec. Right, now that I'm back from a test drive, as you can see right there, the light is gone. So all you gotta do is, when you get a tyre pressure warning light come on, first thing you do is just check the tyre pressure. I will just show you where that is as well. But once you've done the tyre pressure, you then, from this button right here, if I press it once again, and then get to there, and then press and hold the button till the tyre symbol on the right hand side where the park, reverse and neutral is, that flashes. Once that flashes, all you then do is drive, and that should sort itself out. Now with regards to the tyre pressure, I'm just going to check now, and it's right here. So you've got 2.2, 2.4, 2.4, 2.8, 3.2 and 3.5. that's if you're towing, and that's if you're max, and that's just standard, and that's the tyre size on there at the moment. And these have got the mud terrain tyres as well. Okay, right, final check. So switch the car off, start the car up, ka-ching baby, that's all done. That's it, it's all done. Anything else you need to know, please do let us know. We'll try helping you as much as we can, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if there's anything else you need to know, please do let us know, and we'll try to help as much as we can. Goodbye.